Good morning, everybody. It's Mr. Clement. I just want to give you a brief overview of this PowerPoint, which may help you study when we have a quiz on the political and physical features of Europe. So our first standard this year, when we talk about the geography of Europe, is simply to just locate selected features of Europe. We have to locate features on a political map and features on a physical map. So when we talk about political map, we're talking about countries like the United Kingdom, Spain, and France. When we talk about physical map, we're talking about landforms like rivers, oceans, and mountains. So the first standard says that we have to locate on a world and regional political physical map the countries of France, Germany, Italy, Russia, Spain, Ukraine, and the United Kingdom. So that's 7 countries we have to be able to locate. Here they are again: Spain, France, Germany, Italy, which is shaped like a boot. Look at it. Here it's a long boot. Here's the heel. Here's the toe. A boot. Then we have Ukraine. Next is Russia, which is the largest country in the world. And we finally end up with the United Kingdom. When we think of the United Kingdom, a lot of people think of just England. It's actually made up of 4 countries: England, Scotland, Wales, and Northern Ireland. All right, this slide represents a practice quiz. This is something you would see probably on your first quiz. All you have to do is match the countries with the numbers. So you can look at these in practice. This will give you some practice. So let's look at Spain. Spain is number 5. Followed by France, number 2, Germany, number 6, which is near the middle of Europe. Then Russia, we know that's the largest country in the world. That's 3. Then Italy is 7, shaped like a boot. United Kingdom, which is made up of 4 other countries. And then finally, south of Russia is the Ukraine. It's a great little study guide. Next, we have to learn about the physical features of the map of Europe. There's 9 that we have to locate. They are the Danube River, the Rhine River, the English Channel, the Mediterranean Sea, the European Plain, the Alps, the Pyrenees, Ural Mountains, and the Iberian Peninsula. Now we'll go in detail throughout the semester on what all these are, but for now we just need to locate them. So the first one is the Iberian Peninsula. And peninsula is usually where you have a land that is surrounded usually on 3 sides by a body of water, but they're still connected to another landform. For instance, Spain is surrounded by water on all 3 sides, but it's still connected to France. Then you have the English Channel, which is a waterway between the United Kingdom and France. We have 2 rivers we need to locate. One is the Rhine, the other is the Danube. And an easy way to remember that, one is longer than the other. The Danube is longer than the Rhine. One runs from west to east, the other from north to south. But the easy way to remember, the Rhine has 5 letters, right? The Danube has 6 letters. So the Danube is longer. Next, we have the European Plain that covers a large area of Europe. Then the Ural Mountains, which runs through Russia and maybe, I believe, part of Asia. We have the Alps. And then we have the Pyrenees Mountains. That is a natural barrier between Spain and France. So those are the 9 physical features we have to locate. Okay, the next 2 slides are for you to practice on your own. So you have the map, and then you have the answers. You just have to line up on this one, which is a physical map, the letters with the landforms. So I'll give you the first one. So the first one is English Channel, and that would be C. from there, you could just keep going. Next is Iberian Peninsula. The Iberian Peninsula is E. So all we're doing is locating the physical features. All right, you try it. Oh, I see you got all the answers. All right, next is the practice quiz for what type of map? A political map, right? And it has countries. So the directions match the country with the number. So Spain, what number would that be? Maybe 5. And then France, 2. Germany, 6. Russia, I know this is the largest country in the world, 3. Italy, number 7, shaped like a boot. United Kingdom is 1, it's made up of 4 countries. And Ukraine is 4, which is south of Russia. Okay, it's your turn to practice. So I hope this little PowerPoint will help you. We will put it on the announcement section or the discussion board on your homepage. All right, have a great day.